Hello everyone friends, this is EZSO channel, and my name is Evgeny Trokimarov. I am a co-founder of this company, and in this video we will talk about how, with the help of our equipment, which helps to optimize the production of screw products, and that's how, with the help of this equipment, to reduce the cost of auger production enormously. So, I always speak from experience. And we've been in the market for 7 years now, and we've seen a lot of different companies that are somehow related to the auger industry. We've been to a lot of startups, we've seen the inner workings of different companies. You know, for example, where we did not find our machines, of course, we went there for commissioning, and these machines were not there until then. We have seen how these enterprises manufacture various screw products, and a lot of people were involved in these areas. For example, you know, they cut segments on plasma, then welded and stretched with ropes like an accordion. They used some kind of homemade presses, where you had to change the tooling all the time. Each geometry required its own expensive tooling. Our equipment does not require this at all. Our equipment is operated by one operator. We bend from 500 to 1000 coils per shift, depending on the complexity and geometry. Can you imagine the volume? That is, one person produces such a quantity. Accordingly, the productivity is enormous. Our equipment also reduces production costs, because you do not have to constantly spend huge sums of money on tooling. You do not have to spend time on this tooling. Accordingly, your hourly rate is reduced. You do not need to constantly maintain the equipment and keep a lot of people. Everything is done by one person. There is practically no need to maintain the machine. You just have to operate it properly. And the only consumable there is essentially the knives that deform into the correct geometry of the workpiece. They are eternal. We make them from hard steel, which can compete even with Hardox steel. So they last a very, very long time. So if they wear out for whatever reason, yes, it's a sheet metal bender, the tooling can wear out. They are very cheap. You can buy them from us. So friends, our equipment will easily optimize all your production costs, and even more so when there is such a shortage of personnel in the labor market right now. If you produce augers and you employ, I don't know, 3 or more people, you will only need one operator. So friends, there can be no doubt at all the links to purchase this equipment will be in the description. Also, on your screen, you will see the phone number, and accordingly, you can call and the manager will consult you. That's all for today. I'm saying goodbye to you. Goodbye. See you in the next issues.